Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Amish cinnamon bread. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need a half a cup of butter, which is 1 stick softened to room temperature, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, just put 1 tablespoon of either white vinegar or lemon juice into a cup and then fill it the rest of the way with milk. Give it a stir and in 10 minutes you have buttermilk. Then you need 1 egg, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then a cinnamon sugar mixture, which is 1/3 cup of sugar with 1 teaspoon of cinnamon stirred together. So let's go ahead and get started. Preheat your oven to 350, and then you want to spray a 4x9 loaf pan with cooking spray. In a large bowl, we are going to cream together the butter, egg, and the 1 cup of sugar. That looks good, so now we are going to add in the buttermilk, flour, and baking soda and mix that to combine. That looks great, so now we're going to put half of this into our prepared loaf pan. That looks good, so now we want to pour about 3/4 of our cinnamon sugar mixture over top of our dough. Perfect, and now we are going to just add our remaining dough on top of that. That looks great, so next we are going to sprinkle the rest of our cinnamon sugar topping on it and then swirl it with a butter knife. Now we are going to get this into our preheated oven at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. My bread came out of the oven about 20 minutes ago. I did let mine cook for an additional 5 minutes. It just wasn't ready. So mine cooked for 55 minutes total. And now we are going to slice into it and see what Taste Tester thinks. Alright, we have a nice piece here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.